A severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are...
Insurance handles everything from making the claim.
And listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Kentucky has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Laurel County, southwestern Estill County, western Jackson County, Rock Castle County until 3:30 p.m. At 2:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles southeast of Nicholasville to 6 miles south of Richmond to Boone to Ocala, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Mount Vernon around 3:05 p.m. Jet Hill around 3:10 p.m. Artery around 3:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include McKee. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky, Estill, and Jackson. 15 p.m. Severe thunderstorm was located over Bernstadt, or 9 miles west of London, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near East Bernstead around 3:50 p.m. London around 3:55 p.m. Victory around 4 p.m. Atlanta around 4:05 p.m. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties: Jackson, Kentucky. The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Mingo County in southern West Virginia, southwestern Lincoln County in central West Virginia, northwestern Logan County in southern West Virginia, southern Wayne County in western West Virginia, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hode, or 11 miles east of Inez, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Holden, Mount Gay Shamrock, Harts, Dingus, Breeden, and Wilsondale. This includes Route 119 between mile markers 13 and 22.